this early morning shit is for the birds, man. Oh, fuck. Well, today we're getting our asses up and we're going to Columbia, South Carolina for an event. Let's get it.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And if you couldn't tell by some of the aerial shots, doing something different today. So I'm heading on down to Columbia, South Carolina. There's an event down there. I'm out here rolling with the squad, aka Road Reapers, Fayetteville, North Carolina. I'm bringing up the rear here of the Prez, Mr. Venom himself, right there in that monster ass Chally, and you can see the rest of the squad pulling up down the way. So we got about a couple-hour drive. We're gonna knock a lot of this stuff out. This is a different video, so some of y'all might not like the vlog stuff, but this is different. I'm gonna show you some stuff from the club. We're gonna put the drone in the air, get some cool videos, and yeah, see what's up. So stay tuned. It's all jokes right now, but why I got Mustangs in my mirror?
Ain't nobody try to tell you. Ain't nobody tell you to hop that curve this morning.
I didn't even try to. I was
He just slid right up.
How you cannot know that your lip hangs out that far?
Man, that bitch went over the curve. I just instantly got mad as fuck in the car. I was the first hard as fuck. I'm like, man.
I know why you like to pull forward, because you want to show off his winter wheel, but
Right.
It was easy to pull forward than it was to back up.
you just go. I said, damn, this nigga's about to drive over the shit.
I was mad as fuck. I ain't lying. I couldn't see you through the.
Stop at the rest area real quick. Look at them bugs. I can't wait to clean it off when we stop. Yo. We made it out here. Look at all the cars out here. This joint is mad busy. We're gonna put the drone up here in a minute. You know, I gotta represent appropriately. I know I'm gonna get roasted, but it is what it is.
Scoop Trophy. Cell block. Hey, I need everybody to be quiet. Everybody be quiet. Red Challenger, do what you do. Alright, cell block.
Cell block, get it. Turn that thing up.
They challenge first. They challenge first. Nick to third place. They. Come on, cell block. We gonna play fair. We gonna play fair.
Cell block, take it over.
I couldn't even hold, I had to hold my ears. Damn.
Alright, what is sound system at?
Guys, the meet today was mad fun. Going down to Columbia. We're about to roll home, about to break off here in a minute. I got drone footage and other footage and all that stuff I got to edit together. But you can see some of the squad right here. We're just rolling now. We were rolling pretty hard there for a little bit, so I kind of letting the cars catch up and cool down. Temperature looks good. This thing, you know what I noticed about these scat packs? You know, these cars like to run high speed. They love, like, I live legit, and I know this is going to sound crazy, but in 6th gear at like 80 to 100, I get better gas mileage than, like, I mean, of course, if I'm coasting here, it's going to show 40 something, but like just driving, I can't believe I get over 20 miles a gallon at over 8. That's just ridiculous. But yeah, we're just moving. We're almost back into North Carolina, aka North Carolina, and we are rolling. We're moving, and we got a little bit of a run left. I got about 14 miles until I break off. But yeah, mad fun. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Different type of vlog, different type of thing. Shout out to all the cars subs that were there. I'm gonna try to get a list and link them below if they have social media. But yeah, that radar detector keeps screaming. That's why I'm not flying. I know it's only K-band and K-band's garbage, but you know how it is. Anywho's, I'm just rolling, man. Thank you guys very much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate it. I posted some more stuff on Instagram and stuff throughout the day, so if you follow me on TK's Garage, you kind of get a little sneak peek or early look at the stuff that we do. And before I leave, it was funny. I had a dude that's got like 255,000 subs comment on my channel the other day, talking about I was smoking crack for how I do my videos with COPART. And for that dude, I think it's like Viday, and his name sounds really sus, all right? And his entire channel is in Russian. Well, for that dude, sir, go eat a dick. For everybody else, thank y'all for rocking with me. I appreciate it. But yeah, of course I responded. That's why I said if you don't follow Instagram, you're missing all the tea. But I went straight for his neck immediately. I'm a savage. I am not the bear that you want to poke. Don't do it. And I found out he's in Vegas, so it looks like I got to make a trip to Vegas real soon. Carlos, shout out to my dude with Los Mobile. Carlos, I'm on my way. Ronaldo, Mike, the whole squad. I'm coming to Vegas because y'all know I got a really good relationship out in Vegas when it comes to like the salvage stuff. I'm coming out there, and you know, we'll see what happens. Maybe some drama, maybe some hands, maybe dude will cop a plea, cop out, and try to do a collab and say sorry. Who knows? You know. But yeah. Anyways, with that said, it was mad fun today. We'll leave it on a positive note. I had a blast. Shout out to Road Reapers and stuff for running down there, and it was like I said, I had an absolute blast. Hopefully y'all have a wonderful day, evening, whenever it is that you guys see this, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Well, just when I think I'm about to get out of here and call the video a day, ooh, wow, the wide angle camera has some fuzzy stuff over here. All right, we'll go regular camera. Evidently somebody ate shit. It was either a bad accident, somebody was going too fast. See, these old roads out here are not made for, people to be doing what they're doing, and they'll be out here going 100 plus fucking miles an hour, and it's only 55. Look, if you're not a driver, you can't do it, man. You can't do it.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's vlog / bonus video. That trip down to South Carolina was crazy and mad fun. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Whole different scene, whole different setup than other events, other things that I've attended in the past. And this was super cool. Want to take a quick second out to show you guys we got some of the new, and I got the hot pink joints right here. TK's Garage merch on deck. You guys can go pick this stuff up over at tksgarage.com. I recommend you go tap in. We use the proceeds from that to purchase whatever we're going to do for our giveaways, moving forward. We do what we do with our merch. So memberships and merch all goes into whether we purchase a vehicle, do a giveaway vehicle, or if it's like stock or something else like we did last time. All of the funds from that go towards those giveaways. Helps me fund those and helps me do one every single month. There's a clip at the end of today's video, which is kind of a teaser for the next video. Now, I'm kind of debating whether or not we should even show this or not. But one of the guy's cars got shot. Like, straight up, pew pew. And I already know the comments is going to be like, pew pew. But, oh yes, and I am rocking the Smedium. I am rocking, because, as I'm getting to the gym and I'm getting right, I got the Smedium TK's Garage shirt on right now because I'm about to go to the gym. But with that said, I hope you guys have thoroughly enjoyed today's video. It's just a change of pace. Like I like to change it up every once in a while. Fellas, the ladies, your wife, your girlfriend and stuff will tell you the same thing. Like, switch it up every once in a while, man. Makes things just a little bit better. But anywho's, hopefully you enjoyed the video. More vlogs like this will come through. I'll pepper them in throughout the regular auction and rebuild content. More stuff coming on the 1970 Buick. We got started on the Volkswagen EOS Lux, and we won a Hellcat at Copart. Ooh, what are we going to do with that? I think you guys have an idea. Catch you guys on the next one.
Who walked across? Yep. What's up, fellas? Huh?